Military professionalism. Men who adopt the profession of arts submit their own free will to a law of perpetual constraint of their own occurred. They reject their rights to live where they choose, to say what they think, to dress as they like. From the moment they become soldiers, it needs but an order to settle them from this place, to move them to that, to separate from their families and dislocate their normal lives. In the world of command, they must rise, march, run, endure bad weather, go out without sleep or food, be isolated in some distance post or work until they drop. They have case to become master of their own fate. If they drop on their tracks, their ashes should be scattered by the four winds. That is all part and parcel of their job. Pledge of loyalty. If you work for a man in heaven's name, work for him, speak well of him, and stand by the institution that he represents. Remember, an, uh, an ounce of loyalty is worth a pound of cleverness. If you must grow condemned and eternally find fault, why resign your position? And when you are in the outside, damn to you heart's contest. But as long as you are a part of the institution, do not contend it. For if you do, the first high wind that comes along will blow you away, and probably you will never know why. 11 General's Orders. 1. To take charge of this post and all government properties in view. 2. To walk my position in military manner, keeping always on the alert in everything what takes the place with sight or hearing. 3. To report all violation of order. I am instructed to enforce. 4. To report all calls from my post, more distant from the guard house than my own. 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. 6. To receive, obey, and pass to the sentinel who relieves me all orders from the commanding officer. Officer of the day, officer unknown, commission officer of the guard. House only. Commission officer of the guard. House only. 7. To, to talk to no one except on the line of duty. 8. To give alarm in case of fire or disorder. 9. To call the commander of relief in any case not governed by instruction. 10. To salute all officer colors and understand that case. To be especially watchful night during the time of challenge to challenge all person on challenge all person on or near my post and to allow no one to pass without proper authority. Military secrecy. What you see, what you hear. When you live it here. Military principles. Obey first before you complain. You do what I say.